friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen today, and I have a delicious recipe for you, and that's Goan beef samosas. So let's get on to the recipe. Okay, so for beef samosas, I've got 1 pound beef mince, and I've marinated with a 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and then 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and then 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. And so now I'm gonna mix everything well. Okay, so now I will let this marinate for half an hour, and then we'll get back to the recipe. Okay, so now it's been half an hour, and now we'll go straight to the cooking area. So here I've kept a pan for heating. In few seconds I'm gonna add vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. As oil is nice and hot, I will add 2 medium onions. I love a lot of onion in the mince recipe, and I will stir fry onion till it's nice and soft on high heat. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. I'm gonna add 1 half tomato and stir fry for 2-3 minutes. So in 3 minutes I'm gonna add chili, that is a half chili. Now a chili you will have to adjust because each one has different taste. You will have to adjust accordingly as per your taste. In a few seconds I'm gonna add salt. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and add a cumin powder, 2 to 3 pins. Give it a good stir. And now I will add the marinated mince. And heat is on medium now. At this point I'm gonna cover and cook for 3 minutes. Okay, in 3 minutes. And now I have organic vinegar, that is 1/4 teaspoon. So I will add in the organic vinegar. Give it a good stir. Okay, now at this point I will cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, in 5 minutes, yes, I can see mince has cooked well, and there's a good aroma in this room here. And now it's time for me to switch off the heat. So here I will keep the mince uncovered for half an hour, and then we'll get back to the making of the samosas. Okay, so friends, now the beef mince is ready. It's nice and dry. So we'll get started with the filling of the samosas. And here I've got the same samosa pads, and so I'm using this. And then here I've got the refined flour, 1 tablespoon mixed in 2 tablespoons water. And so now we are ready to go. Same process like last time I've shown you in my veg samosas. I've done the same, and then fold. So I'm taking two sheets. So here okay, so oil is hot. I will lower heat on 7 now, and I will drop in the samosas carefully. So in 3 minutes our crispy beef samosas are ready, and so I will take them on the paper towel like this. Okay, so here I've got 20 samosas. Okay, so friends, you can see Goan beef samosa, really delicious, I'll tell you. And so I'll take a bite. See, really awesome, yummy samosas are ready here in Mama's kitchen. So you guys go ahead and please try this recipe, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.